How to make $200 in a single day online straight to your PayPal account. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? Jay here from the channel Millionaire Mindset, and this video is going to be all about selling done-for-you website funnels to businesses all around the world to get clients through the door of their business. This is honestly probably going to be one of the most valuable videos that I've posted on my channel so far. This is really going to be a gold mine of a video because I'm going to give you over $5,000 of my done-for-you funnels and campaigns for free that you can go and use for your own online business or to sell to other businesses like I'm going to teach you in this video to make huge money online. And this is really going to be a lot of value in this video, lots of giveaways, lots of high value information in this video. And I'm also going to show you how you can also have access to unlimited done-for-you funnels through the platform that I'm going to show you to sell around the world, or you can use it to start your own online funnel agency. And if you follow the strategies that I'm going to teach you in this video step by step, there is literally no reason to not make money online with the strategy, at least $200 a day. I'm going to show you other people doing this, and I'm also going to show you proof of my earnings from this. I'm going to show you some of my funnels, give you exclusive access to this if you're lucky enough to click on this video, because I really want you guys to succeed with this. And this is something that I've been kind of doing for quite some time, and I've seen some amazing results from it. But quickly, if you're brand new to the channel and you want to learn different ways to make money online and get lots of giveaways like this in the future, make sure to subscribe down below to this channel, Millionaire Mindset Make Money Online, so that I can send you a personal message every time I upload a video just like this one, so that you can be the first to it, beat the rest of the competition, and ultimately make the most money online. But without further ado, we're going to get started with this video. Alright everyone, so we're now inside of my Google browser, and we're actually going to be starting off with Google with this strategy. And what we want to do is, and I know this is quite typical, you want to go and search a business in any niche in any city in the world. So let's go, for example, fitness. Let's go Port Elizabeth, which is the city that I'm in. So I'm just going to search fitness Port Elizabeth, and you can see here a bunch of done-for-you fitness businesses around the Port Elizabeth area, such as Warmer Ignite Fitness, Fitness Studio Port Elizabeth. There's actually a lot of businesses around the world that we can go and target in so many different niches. So your target audience is literally unlimited with this. And also, one thing I do need to quickly tell you guys is that I can obviously show you the strategy, I can reveal all my secrets in this video, I can explain to you each and every step, but if you guys are just going to sit and passively watch, obviously maybe just to learn, there's obviously, you're not going to get any results from this. There is some effort to be put into this. Like a big quote that I've always seen: any kind of success that ever comes doesn't come easy. There's always effort required. I'm not going to sit here talking like a motivational speaker the whole video, but I just want to explain to you guys that this does require a bit of effort, but I encourage you and want to try and drive you to ultimately make your first money online and really succeed at this. But let me stop rambling on about putting in the hard work and actually get straight into this. So you can see, like I said, there's a whole bunch of different businesses over here. We can also click on view all. I'm just going to open this in a new tab on Google Maps. So you can actually see here all of these businesses with websites. We can also target ones without websites, but I'm just going to use the ones with websites already because it's just much easier for this. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to open up a few of these in a new tab, so such as Ignite Fitness Port Elizabeth, Edge Fitness Warmer, Viva Gym Warmer. Let's also do Tomorrow's Personal Fitness Studio, Body 20 Warmer. Let's go use that. So we can actually see here, this is actually a very good looking website. And we just want to open up a couple of these websites, just waiting for this one to load. Viva Gym, also very good website. You can see it's a lot of effort has been put into it. It's very professional looking. This website could have a bit of work. This one over here is just as good. But the thing is, you don't really have to worry about their current website. We just want to make sure that they have a website and also that they have a contact us page. And don't worry, we're not going to go and spam anything on this contact page. What I'm actually going to do is really actually works. And you can see here, same with this page, they have a contact page. Viva Gym as well has a contact page. But I'm going to, in this case of this video, use Ignite Fitness. But now that we've got a few websites, I want you to take notes. All these websites do is give some information, such as start today, about the founder, the vision, the different branches, where we can stay connected. Same with this one over here. You can see like take a tour of the gym, some social proof, blogs. This one as well, men and ladies, what they do. So it's just pages that give information. It's not selling anything, it's not making money, it's just here sitting on Google for people to read about this business. So essentially this business is missing out on a lot of potential customers through the door, a lot of sales or membership signups, in this case of it being a gym. And this is where we are going to help them and actually make quite a lot of money online from this. And remember, fitness is just a niche that I'm using for this video. You can go and use this in any niche in any city in the world. And I did quite a bit of a study online and also watched this in 1 or 2 courses that website funnels actually get a lot more clients through the door of the business than a basic information website. So funnels is basically a website where you can get someone to sign up for an email, you put them through a upsell, a downsell, whether you're selling a product or a membership, and you actually collect the email and promote them with more offers later on to get more sales, to get more of an audience going within an email list, monetizing that and making money off of that online as well. And that kind of funnel, those kind of funnels is what converts a lot more, gets a lot more clients through the door of the business, and that's why these businesses are missing out on a lot of sales and a lot of money or potential revenue in their business. So what we want to do is we actually want to go and create a funnel and pitch it to them, and we can actually create these funnels and make money with these funnels through various different ways by pitching it to this business. And don't worry, we don't need to call this business, cold call them or message them on the phone or anything like that. If you are scared of actually talking on the phone, there's going to be a much more subtle and less scary way of doing this. You're welcome to phone them if you do have the confidence, but I suggest we're going to write something out with the script that I'm going to show you after I actually show you how to get these funnels. So basically, we're going to head over to a website called Kartra.com, which is an entire business builder in a box where we can actually import done-for-you funnels, done-for-you campaigns, Kartra pages, leads, memberships, email campaigns, done-for-you. Here we go. This is the important part. Done-for-you Kartra funnels and campaigns, videos, help desks, calendars, affiliates, Kartra forms, a Kartra agency, everything that is needed to build an entire funnel and campaign for any online business. And this is what we are going to go and pitch to all of these businesses to ultimately get more clients through the door of their business, which makes us more money online because they are buying that from us. So what you can actually do is, if you want to get hold of these $5,000 bonuses that I have on Kartra over here, you can see I'm giving away $5,267 worth of high quality bonuses to help you succeed with Kartra and essentially help you with this strategy. So all you're going to do is you're going to come over to this link over here. I'm actually going to leave a link in the description to this page if you want to go and check that out and get these bonuses for the strategy. You don't have to, but this will help you out and give you a nice boost. You can click on here. All you're going to do is enter your name and email, which is then going to take you to this page over here. So you can see all the bonuses that you're getting. These pictures are just not loading over here. There we go. You're going to get a done for you $1 cash machine funnel, a done for you drop servicing agency funnel, a done for you affiliate advertorial funnel, high ticket products, done for you Kartra affiliate funnel, video training, done for you affiliate bridge funnel, high converting emails, drop servicing WordPress masterclass, a TikTok business marketing premium, and a jab hook high ticket funnel. So all of this you're going to get 6 hours after you've signed up on this page. So you need to click at the bottom here, sign up to Kartra and unlock bonuses. So with Kartra, it is a paid tool. Just to show you quickly, don't worry, you actually don't have to pay for it, in a sense that you can use the 30-day trial. And what you can do is you can actually make money online using the strategy from after today if you want to take action with it, and you'll basically make your money back on Kartra within the 14 days. And once you've got your Kartra trial through the link in the description and you sign up on your dashboard, it's going to look something like this. So here you can see I'm on the My Pages tab. You've got all your different options here: products, my communications, my campaigns, my agencies. What you want to do is you want to come over to my campaigns. Over here you can see here some of my campaigns I've got already. You can come over to available campaigns over here, and you can actually import done for you campaigns such as a high ticket masterclass campaign, affiliate advertorial, extended membership, a lead nurture campaign, 4 days cash machine. And what you can do is you can actually share these campaigns with people or charge people for that. And what we want to go and do is, on our Kartra page, we need to go and build a quick funnel using this done for you campaign over here, or this funnel over here. We just need to quickly go and change some text, and this is the funnel that we can go and sell to any of these businesses to make money online. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this simple list build over here. You're going to click on these 3 dots over here. you're going to click on deploy. For the campaign name, we can, for example, go, since I'm using Ignite Fitness, or just Ignite, we can use that, and we can go import. And you can see here, it's now deploying the assets to my account, which is the done for us funnel that we can already use to go and sell to this business to make money online. So you can see this is now done. All I have to do is I have to come back here to my campaigns over here, and you can see here it is over here, the simple list builder. And all I'm going to do is I'm now then going to click on my pages. You'll see the pages from the simple list has been imported. Here you can see here, if I click on this button over here, I click on edit. We need to quickly go and edit this page. Let's click on edit. We can leave this as is, click on edit over here, and it's then going to take us to this page builder here. So I'm quickly going to remove my webcam so you can see the full screen of this page. And over here, all we're going to do is we're going to change this around. So we want to add perhaps some fitness picture here, and we want to replace this text over here to kind of hook people into this funnel. We want to go, let's type in claim a free 1 month membership to obviously the gym, so Ignite Fitness. Call the number below to lock in your free month. And then what we want to do is we actually want to edit this form over here. So you can see what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this edit button over here. You want to come over to let's just go button over here, click on button text, enter your email so we can send you our number. We then want to click on apply, and over here this is what this is going to look like. So the whole point of this is when people click on this, they're going to enter their name and email, and then basically we are going to come back. Now this landing page is done. You can actually save this progress. So we're saving now this entire funnel. Let's keep this saved. We can also just quickly go and replace this picture. I actually forgot about that. So let's go to Ignite Fitness and let's actually look for a picture. So I just quickly replaced this picture with like some fitness picture that I got off of Google. Continuing from this, when people enter the email, basically the system or this funnel that we've imported, remember it's done for us, we don't have to set this up, we just have to go and change the text, it's going to send us an email. So we need to come back to our dashboard over here. We need to click on my communications over here. We then need to click on communications or hover over communications and come over to the sequences tab so we can go and edit our email sequence for this Ignite funnel that we've created. What you want to do is go and click on this edit button over here. It's going to ask you to edit sequence. We can leave the name in the public description, click on edit, and we can go and edit these different emails. It's then going to pop up with this over here. So what you want to do is you want to click on edit of the first email. This we can leave as is. The email content over here is what we need to change. So we need to change over here, click on edit, and we want to change this heading over here. So we can have first names. So it's obviously going to replace that first name with your lead's name, and we can go, here is our number to claim your free 1 month subscription. And what you want to do is hi at first name as promised. Here's our number you asked for. Then you can replace this by calling us. You'll discover more coupons and discounts we'll have in the future. We can have how to claim your 1 month free membership. Let's just put little dashes here to kind of make it like bullet points. Let's say also a free tour of the gym and equipment. And you can say here, if you have any questions or need any help with our gym, please don't hesitate to contact us, to reach out. Enjoy our number, and you can put, for example, let's go 0111 or whatever the number is, replace that with their number. And what you want to do is you want to click on edit and save that as this email. So now what we're doing is we've created this landing page for this business, for Ignite Fitness, to get more people into their business by offering like a free 1 month membership. and then the customers will then sign up on this page. They will then get an email with the number that they must call, which is this email I just created over here. And this entire funnel is now saved. We can actually go and delete this second email. We don't need to worry about that. We can go delete this step. Same with this one over here. I'm just waiting for this to delete successfully. Same with this one over here. We can successfully delete this. So we just need this first email to send out, because that's how we're going to get more customers through the door of Ignite Fitness, by having this landing page and getting people to actually phone them in through the doors of their business. So what we can do is we want to save both this page and save both this sequence. So we're going to click on done and exit to save this, and there we go. Once it's done, we can come back to my campaigns, and over here this is how we're actually going to sell this campaign to this specific Edge Fitness or Ignite Fitness business. So now that this campaign is done and saved, we need to go and get to the page of our campaign, which is the page that we are going to sell or pitch to this Ignite Fitness business. So you'll see here is this landing page over here. If I click on share, get code or link, you'll see here of the page that I've just created, or the one I just edited, and I copy this and I paste this in a new tab. You can see this is what the landing page looks like. And what we can do is we can actually copy the link to this landing page and funnel that we've just created or imported. We can come back to Ignite Fitness. We want to click on contact us, and we actually want to reach out. We can type our name, for example, Jay Froneman, our phone number, our email. So let's just go email your inquiry. You can see here I have a concern or a question. Let's put I have a concern. Club, we can choose, for example, Cape Town or one of the bigger ones in the area. What we can actually say is we can put here, hi there, I came across your website, and I recently created this website funnel to generate more leads to your fitness center in Cape Town, because obviously we've selected Cape Town. So let's just say Ignite Fitness Center. Here is the link to a website I have made for you to get more leads and people through the door of your business, and ultimately more membership signups. Let me know what you think of this page, and obviously we can paste that link here, and then we can actually say this funnel is a paid funnel, but I did create it for you to have a look at for free and test it out yourself by offering clients a free 1-month membership to get more people signing up to your gym. Kind regards, Jay Froneman. And if they are interested, they will obviously respond back and saying, hey, we saw your page, we are interested. And you can obviously, since you mentioned this page, you can say we charge, let's say $100 or $200 for this website funnel. It's a once-off price. You're not paying any monthly fee. So this is our final price, which is literally $100 to $200 sales right there, just in this funnel which we've now created for them with this landing page. And you can go and customize this page for businesses all around the world, not only for fitness. I just made this example for a fitness business by offering like a free 1-month membership to get more clients through the doors of this Ignite business, which we can then actually go and sell to this Ignite Fitness business. So it's kind of like a win-win. This business is getting more clients, you getting your money for selling this funnel to them. It really is a win-win for everybody. So in this particular video, I did try and cover every possible step with this, and if you have any questions, you're welcome to comment down below. I will help you out with that. But don't forget, all that I appreciate is a like on this video, a comment down below, something positive, and also subscribe down below if you're new. And don't forget all those bonuses down below. in the description. It will be the first link where you can get my $5,000 bonuses to Kartra. And also I really hope that you did get a lot of value from this, and this will hopefully generate you some money online. But without further ado, I'm actually releasing another banger like this video in tomorrow's video, so you don't want to miss that one. So make sure to put the bell on so that I can send you that notification. But on the link above, I will actually leave a link to my Kartra training playlist, which is basically like a free 15-minute video course that I've got here on YouTube that will help you with Kartra, how to use Kartra to the best of its ability to build businesses around Kartra, which is this tool that we built this landing page with, to ultimately give you more knowledge on the tool to use it to make more money online with strategies like this. So you're welcome to go and click on that on the screen. But without further ado, take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.